What's up? Uptown Swing level 1A count.
Wow.
And Peter. We basically just did swing outs a whole bunch. Here's a couple of the points we said. We talked about keeping your arms kind of like this. And then remember, if you have your arms kind of parallel to your back like that, bend the elbows, move away, you get a little bit of stretch, but not this much. More like this much. You don't let this go out. So we get a little bit of tension, you get here, and you're basically trying to face each other. When we do that, we get a good connection feeling at the end of a swing out. And if you face each other, you can feel both sides. The follower will actually get moved as one piece, not piece by piece by piece if they come sideways like that. Then we talked about leaders. You're going to be triple stated backwards at the end of a swing out. So just still try to face your partner. You might be a little bit open up, that's okay. And when you got that, you got enough tension on the end of a swing out. That means on the next swing out, you don't have to pull your hand to your belly button. You really take a step with your whole body. Rock, step, and I'm going the other way to set up the next swing out. Watch it in action from here. Put it from here. We got a swing out. We got that tension. And then I take a step, and I'm going to turn my follower around. Val is trying to dance in place, and that place just moves. And once you move and followers, you keep that line going.
I'm going there and I turn to face my partner, but I kind of want to go that way.
That still continues. Once we had that, we talked about turning your round leaders with your right side, moving your partner. It's very tempting for people to do boom, and then get around, but to not move anybody. We really make sure everyone step that way. On 5, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So we make sure we're just placing our partners and actually swinging them out. That really started happening. And then the whole time we said, really good rhythm, fight for the rhythm. We had you clomp it out, and then we just had you do it really clearly. If you keep the rhythm and you're both in sync, it really, really helps, especially I would say for followers, because you don't know where you're gonna go. And if you do the rhythm, you have that to hold on to, whether the leader moves you a lot or a little. We did a ton of swing outs. You did much better with that. And then we did low downs and points. Here's low downs. We go shaboom, shabang, shaboom, shabang, shaboom, shabang. Hey, we swing out. Here's points. We go in, out, in, ba, ba. Hey, if you can't think of either, you can just mess around. Hey, 5, 6, 7. That's good too. That's it. Good work. We'll see you next week.